Arch Linux versus Gentoo. Let's have a comparison between Arch Linux versus Gentoo. Let's see which one is the ultimate power user distro. Gentoo offers extreme customization by allowing users to compile the entire system from source, right? Highly involved, requiring users to manually configure and compile the kernel and system packages. It uses a Portage, a source-based package management system. It's ideal for advanced users seeking maximum control and optimization, tailored to their hardware. Gentoo provides unparalleled customization by compiling packages with specific use flags, allowing fine-tuned optimizations. Now, in terms of maintenance, Arch offers a balance between customization and ease of maintenance with pre-compiled binaries, whereas Gentoo requires more hands-on management. So as for performance, Gentoo can achieve performance gains through tailored optimizations, but the benefits may be marginal compared to the time investment required. So in summary, opt for Gentoo if you desire complete control and are willing to invest time in system, and you can choose Arch for a customizable system with more straightforward setup process. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.